how to log into your WeChat account on your desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to log into your WeChat account on desktop, so first thing what you can obviously do is just head over to any web browser, and if you want to log in via the browser, just search in for WeChat web login. So once you search in for that, you can just tap on the first link and it will show you a scan code, that is QR code, to scan via your mobile device if you have already logged into your mobile device. And as you can see on the tip that it says web WeChat requires the use browser cookies to help you log in to allow the web application to function. So make sure to scan this, and it is quite similar if you really want to download the application as well. So alternatively, you can just come over to your Microsoft Store if you are using desktop and simply search in for WeChat and simply install it. And once you open the application and then you can just enter your login credentials, or you can also share your scan QR code to directly via your mobile device if you have already connected in on your mobile device. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.